Hey everyone, Patrick Hughes. We're doing our Stock in Focus segment, and I love to do these videos, just kind of outlining what to be looking for when you see these stocks, and what when things start to get troublesome. I mean, is there ways to really have been able to forecast or figure out that something was changing? I mean, and that's what everybody's looking for. I mean, and I think that that's the most crucial thing, and that's why I always like technical analysis. And my main point is it's very, very hard to tell whether fundamentals are starting to change. By that time, a lot of the price action has already moved here, and it's so much easier when you really know what to look for, what price targets to look for, whether or not you're okay with a stock, because the price will let you know that. Well, let's just take a look quick here on Ross Stores here, where you see a very big up move here. Is doing very, very well, holding a very firm uptrend. Now we see the break of that trend. You can see it breaking over the under the 50-day moving average, and then the 100-day moving average, which is a little more telling here. That is a little more concerning, because what you're starting to see is deterioration, or at least something that you should need to consider, that, hey, you know what? Not only is it breaking through the 50, but it's breaking through the 100 here, and it's showing, not a quick little pause here as it comes back into the 100 and then starts to take off again. So, after such a huge move, it makes sense that it's starting to kind of go through a little bit of corrective action here. But let's look at some of the signs. We already talked about the 100-day moving average being one of them, and the 50, of course, the earlier sign. But let's look at two things in the price action. First, we've talked about this a lot. Divergence is a really important, consideration. People don't use it nowhere near the amount that they should be in their chart analysis. Here you're starting to see price move here, and then you start to see what you want to look for. Is this struggling? You want to see signs. Is it struggling to go higher? Is the momentum of the MACD or any indicator that does this kind of measurement, does it show the lack of momentum to confirm this here? And that's what you're starting to see here. Look at